here we go, guys, following up with our lab. Today it should be a short video just regarding the DHCP. So basically we will need DHCP for the devices, right? For this device here. So we need this device to get DHCP, and we are gonna use the Windows Server 2016 to do it. So first thing first, we go to after we install the service, we go here and say, hey, complete DHCP configuration. You click on it. Just next, I'm using the admin users to authorize DHCP server in this server, and commit, close. That part was done, so the services should be running. We go to tools, DHCP, and we will check the services running there. So let me expand that to you guys, and open here, and as you can see it, the IPv4 and IPv6 is running. First thing we need to create, click with the right button, new scope, next. So I will call that VLAN 20, no description. IP at 10.1.2 starting at 100 and going 10 until 10.1.2.150, and this is /24. No exclusion. I don't need exclusion for this one because I'm using a short range. 8 hours, 8 days to list this again. Let's configure some options right now. So first thing we need to configure, one of the important things I would say that we need to configure is the gateway, right? Because when the discovery, offer, request, and access and acknowledge happens, we do a discovery of the DNS, which one will be the IP, the subnet mask, and also the gateway. And for this VLAN 20, it is 10.1.2.254, and let me add this here. And the domain name and DNS servers will be this one. I can also add it here, so 10.1.1.1.5. That's the right one. It's gonna perform the check and check if there is a DNS on it, and that's it. Win server, I didn't use so much. Yes, and I want to activate this scope right now. So let me do the same thing for the VLAN 30. So new scope, next, VLAN 30, 10.1.3.150, 100 to 10.1.3.150, 24, right? No exclusion, we don't need that. And let's push some the gateway, 10.1.3.254. Oops, I forget to add it. So security, let's do different this time. ciscosecure.con, resolve, add, and here it goes. Nice and easy. Win servers, we don't need it, and I want to activate. So DHCP scope is done, but there is one missing piece on the switch, that is the IP helper address, and I will show that to you guys why. When this device, one of the endpoints, they don't have an IP address, he send a broadcast, and this broadcast is for the address 0.0.0.0/0, which means anyone. And this package goes to here, and this switch will send it to all the ports, trying to find out which one has contact to the DHCP server. And when reaches the SW01, on that case, if you don't have this command here for the VLAN 20 IP helper address and pointing to the others, the package, the broadcast will be blocked here automatically. We don't need to do that. So basically all the switches and the switches and routers, they don't pass broadcast forward, because it could be a mess up, right? So they block by default the broadcasts. So all the broadcast requests is blocked unless you get this. So if you got a broadcast, which means 0.0.0 on port 67 and 68 in that case, because it's a discovery, offer, request, and of acknowledge from the device, then we're gonna send this to this server, which is our Active Directory here. So that's why I put this command here, and I did that just to save more time. But as you can see here, it's just this command. And if you have more than one, you should add it all of the DHCP servers here. Okay, so I think that's it for that video. Will be a short one, just DHCP. And let's check it out if this device got an IP address. Let me jump to this one. I'll also check one other thing. It is connected to Giga 0/2. Let's check it out. This one. Show run interface Giga 0/2. Okay, it is on the right VLAN. Let's go to this guy here, Mr. Robert, the default one. Here goes. Let's wait for it. Probably when you join on that, logging on that, it should be already with the IP address, with the gateway, and with all the needed information. But let's check it out. Hold on, guys. This one will be short, but we need to make sure that this device got an IP address. Okay, securitylab.com. Let's check that with the cmd command. Cmd ipconfig, and as you can see it got the first one, got the gateway, got the domain, the DNS suffix name. So we are good on that. So we accomplished the task DHCP right now, and for today that's it. And okay guys, thank you for your time. God bless you. See you soon. Bye bye.